You ever wanted to make a creamy vegan pasta Alfredo dish? Look no further. This Alfredo dish is so tasty and good. You have to try it. All right, so you know it's good.
This movie, you know, like the thing that I said about the scary movie, it had like a lot of jump scares and killing, like a lot of jump scares.
Peace, family. Peace, peace, peace. So right now, I'm gonna attempt to make this Alfredo. Okay, and this is going to be our cream. Okay, this is pretty much going to be our Alfredo sauce. These cashew nuts, probably about a cup. Yeah, about a cup I had soaked overnight, and then I placed in the fridge. So right now I just rinsed them off, and then I placed them inside our blender. Okay, to the blender, I am pretty much adding our 100% lemon juice, and then I am going to also put in nutritional yeast. Okay, I don't know how much of the nutritional yeast I'm just going to pour into my ancestors tell me to stop. I'm adding in some garlic powder. Okay. Some real salt, sea salt. Some onion powder. Some vegan butter. Now you do what works for you, but I am adding in some coconut milk. Okay, some people use water, but I am using this coconut milk, and this is the coconut milk I am using. Some people even use coconut cream, okay, to give it that thick consistency, but coconut milk, it still gives it that thick consistency. So we're gonna blend. Okay, family, so this is pretty much the pasta. I mean, the Alfredo sauce. It tastes, oh my goodness, so good. And in the past, I had made this sauce, and before it didn't come out the way it came out today. And what I think is that it was because I didn't soak the cashews long enough. But this tastes so, so good. Okay. I didn't do no measurements because, honey, to tell you the truth, when I'm cooking, I don't do measurements. All right. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to pretty much make our noodles, and then you guys will see it all come together. Okay, family, so this is the pasta that I'm pretty much using. And as you can see, is only a little bit left, but that's okay. We're going to use the rest that I have. And then probably later on today, I'll go to the supermarket to get some more pasta, because that's definitely not going to be, there's definitely not enough of pasta for all of our Alfredo sauce. All right, family, so now our pasta is done, and I'm just going to drain it. All right, family, so right now I am adding in my Alfredo sauce. See how thick that is? Ooh, chill. Oh gosh, I should never put all of it in here, but that's okay. That is so good. Right. So since I told you guys, right, that this is like too much sauce for the amount of pasta that I have, I'm just gonna take my noodles and I'm gonna put them in here, and then I'm gonna go on and plate my plate. Wait, hold on, maybe it's enough, chill. Let's see. Oh, this is so good. I don't know why it's forming like that. Oh, this is so good. Ooh, child, this is good. All right. Now I'm going to go ahead and plate my plate. Okay, so right now I'm just going to add some parsley flakes. And voila.